Replacing the main water hose for the radiator for a BMW 2019 3X XUV. As you know, the Volvo uses a clip on the hoses. Okay, so all you have to do is push it in and pop it up. Okay, this is the new one. Okay, so all you have to do is three things. You have to remove the clip over here, on this one, and on the top water hose from the main three that are going to the back over here. You're gonna need to remove the top one. I already removed it. It was a little bit tricky, but the same thing. Just follow the line, pop it up, and then pull the first one. Then you're gonna be able to go in there. You're gonna have to have small hands in order to get to the water hose. But the same principle, with a small flat screwdriver, smaller, or a pick or something like that, very thin, that you're going to be able to go in, and you're not going to be able to see it, but you're going to have to feel it and then clip the clamp up. Once you do that, it's going to be very easy to remove. Okay, so one of the main things that you have to do probably is take the cover off. I already took the more oil, so you could have a little bit more room to see, but you're not going to be able to see nothing. You're going to have to do it just by feeling. Okay, I'm going to do an example just to remove one of the clips on the top. I already removed the two in the back, so I'm going to be doing one of these two. You see, you could go in and then push it up. That's all you have to do for this one. It's like a T. Then the main one, I already put a clamp before because it was leaking. I just got the hose, but you know, it's the same principle. You pop the clip up and you pull it out. So thank you for watching and subscribe.